No, it's fine.
I promise you need it.
Sharing is caring.
Oh, yeah. So,
It's this way.
How are you feeling about the night?
McDonald's is this way.
The night is good.
It's great, right?
Yeah, it's pretty great.
It is. It's nice and chill.
It's interesting.
It is, yeah. True.
Turn off Bluetooth. Okay.
So like, I don't know.
On the phone.
How hungry are you? Like, it looks to me like you're hungry. So,
Oh, yeah.
For McDonald's?
yeah.
Oh,
Yeah.
Bluetooth is off.
I mean, just for fries.
Fries.
Yeah, just for fries.
Yeah, got you. Got you. Any type of fries, whether it's small, medium, large, or large.
I'll have small fries.
Small fries.
Yeah.
Alright.
Extra salty.
Extra salty.
Yeah.
Why extra salty?
This is just nice.
Oh.
Better.
Okay. Nice.
Yeah. No, shit.
Aya, do you have any song recommendations?
I have one.
Yes.
Peaches and eggplants.
Oh.
Yes! With Lotto.
Okay, so the radio doesn't work. I can sing it for you guys.
Okay.
Do you know how it goes?
Yeah. I can sing. Who getting fucked tonight? 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 You getting fucked tonight? Stop calling her phone. She getting fucked tonight. Standing around, you a busted type. Embracing a bastard type.
Wait, is that the song?
No.
It's not the song you recommended.
No, but like Ghana needs to watch out for his rap career.
Huh?
Coming after him.
You coming after him?
You coming after him. That was Ghana.
Oh.
Oh. Oh, that's fire. 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 Did you know Aya raps too?
You rap?
He's a very good rapper.
Yeah.
Spit a 16, bro. Sure.
Nah, he prefers to ride, man.
Yeah,
No,
I
let
can
him
ride, I
spit.
can
Let him
ride.
spit, bro.
Yeah.
That's fucking it up.
You're my shining star.
Mm.
No one is as beautiful as you are.
Mm.
We're in a car.
Mm.
Let's see how far this can take us. Because I'm spitting balls.
Mm.
Nah, that shit tough.
Yeah.
That shit is tough.
Yeah, we need to get you in the studio.
Nah, and that's off the top, though. That's what I'm saying. People don't understand Aya. Aya's really like that. Off the top? Come on, bro.
Yeah, I mean, I do have. I mean, I try my best, man. I try my best.
You also sing too, right?
I used to be a good singer, but now I don't know. I can
But
sing something.
Yeah, that.
Yeah. Oh yeah. Yeah. I don't know. Nah.
W Zulu song online.
L.
Nah, it's a W.
That's a Maskandi.
That's a Maskandi song,
That's a
bro.
Maskandi song. That's how
Cool.
it usually goes.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'll sing.
No, that was good, bro. That was good.
Should try like a scissor song though, like yeah.
Adele.
I don't really look to the
Hello.
female audience.
It's me.
It's me.
I was wondering
if
after all these years. Yeah. Sing them. Hey.
I could sing for sure.
Nah, you hit that though. You hit that though. You hit that.
She didn't.
Yeah.
She didn't.
You hit that.
Nah.
She didn't. She did not.
You should.
Sir, where are we going, sir?
McDonald's.
Okay, sir.
The nearest McDonald's.
Sorry, so we plus minus a minute away from McDonald's, sir.
Yeah, no, I'm happy. I'm glad. Yeah, she's hungry. I need to feed her.
Hey? That's crazy.
McDonald's.
Finally,
The
yeah.
Golden Arches.
Huh?
Yeah, that's what they are. Yeah.
Archers.
Yeah.
Arch.
This is an arc. Arc. Yeah. Arches.
How you feel about archers, sir?
Now they're amazing because like they're yellow.
Mm-hmm.
And they arch.
Yeah, they arc. Yeah, whatever the word is. Yeah.
Okay, let's go.
Yeah. Aya, come open the door, man. Run. Run. Yes, sir.
Fire, that's fire.
Yeah. So. Oh, jeez. Oh, Lord. Oh, fuck. Oh, phew.
Wait, let me show you.
Look. This is how you do it.
Next time, man. Next time. So YouTube, what does she like?
Yeah.
Twitch, yeah. You wanna say what's up to the chat?
Yeah, throw me on there, man.
What's up to the chat, man? What's your name, bro? Teflon. Shout out.
Is that a rapper name?
Nah, it's my real name.
Teflon.
You don't rap?
Oh, that's fire.
Nah, no, I'm
Hey, you look like a rapper.
Hey, man.
You look like a blue who has some sort of talent. What do you
no
do?
rapper. Yeah, I do some music, a little bit of this, a little bit of that.
You do music. Sing.
I didn't say I'm a singer.
What do you do in
I said I
music?
do music. It's a big umbrella, bro.
So you
So what do
produce.
you do? You make beats.
That's fire. That's fire. That's
Nah,
fire.
you guys are killing it.
That's
bro.
fine. Shout out. Do you have some advice for my brother right here?
Oh yeah.
He's got his girl out.
Guys with a girl.
Oh yeah.
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 Day by day, bro. Take it easy. You get me, man. Take it easy. Don't go too fast. Don't go too slow, man.
Yeah. For sure.
Hey, you look like somebody.
Are you,
Have you heard of Just Daddy G?
Yeah.
You know him?
Yeah.
You guys look alike.
What you say? Yeah.
You can order, sir.
Yo,
You can order for you guys.
Come through.
Because then they come out fresh. If your offspring themselves.
What?
They come out fresh. Because like they don't mix it in into the regular batch. And then they have to like freshly fry your fries to salt them.
damn, that's
Oh, I
smart.
didn't know that. Yo.
That's why
Yeah.
it tastes so good.
Yeah.
Add some chili cheese fries there for her so that
No,
she
I can't-
enjoys chili cheese
No, I
fries.
can't have that. Lactose intolerant.
Yeah. What are you eating, Aya?
You can eat my fries.
Yeah, shit.
Yo, you got it like that, bro.
So, sir, don't you want to order something for your driver?
Yeah, do you want anything to eat?
No, I'm good, sir. Thank you. You're such a generous.
Yeah.
You're so generous.
Yeah, nah, no, man.
Yo! Yo, I sent you the load, dog.
Might have forgotten something. I think he forgot something. I think
Yeah, no, that shit's pretty forgettable.
he forgot something.
You have to wait.
So how you feel about my boy then? Or my brother then?
Again, still like a very cool person.
He's a cool person. How long have you guys known each other?
Oh, since like November.
Since November. Okay.